In the last video, we have learned about English grammar, lesson number 3rd, the abstract noun and collective noun. In that, we have learned about abstract noun and its examples. Now, we are going to learn about collective noun. So, let us learn about it. These two examples, first and second, we have solved. Then next kind of noun is collective noun. So the collective noun is a name of a group or a collection of persons, animals or things. Means collective noun means more than two people are there, themselves group, or animals or things, more than two objects are there, we are saying that collective noun. Let us go through example, then you will know about it. Then first one, a flock of sheep. Flock means a group of sheep, but particularly the group of sheep we are saying flock, F-L-O-C-K. We are not saying for each and everything group. There is a particular name is of the group of sheep is called a flock. Then bundle of sticks. It is a bundle of sticks. So bundle is a group of that sticks is called a bundle of sticks. So bundle word is the collective noun. It is a collection of these sticks is called a bundle, and bundle is of collective noun. So let us know about third exercise. Underline the collective noun in the following sentences. I have solved for you 3 sentences. You should know. I will tell you, explain you. I lost a bunch of keys. So in that, keys, it is a collective noun. Because of more than one key is called keys. So it is of collection of key. It is the collective noun is of keys. The next one, the army fought against the terrorist bravely. So the army, it is also collective noun because there is one person's, there is no army. Many people are there in the battalion or in the group that is called the army. The next, terrorists also, the group of enemies or those who are attacking for our country, those are called terrorists. So it is, both the words are collective nouns. Then third number, the big crowd gathered near the accident. You can look at that picture. That is a big crowd, and those are near the accident spot. All are gathered there. So that is called a crowd, and crowd is also collection of this many people is called crowd. So it is called a collective noun. So do you understand? The collection of person, collection of animals or collection of things, it is called a collective noun. So I have solved for you first, second and third. So you should solve fourth number and fifth number for homework. and you should solve all once again, but you have to try to solve this fourth and fifth. Okay, just move ahead. Fourth number exercise. In that, some nouns are given, that is of common noun, proper noun, abstract noun, and a collective noun also are hidden in this grid. Find and circle them. Okay, in that grid, in the table downside you can look. In the table some nouns are there. Either those nouns are common noun, proper noun, abstract noun, collective nouns. So each and every noun whatever present in the grid or table you want to find out. Just like that I have done here. For example, there is of London. So London is of proper noun. Then river. River is of common noun. Just like that, again some nouns are there. You just want to highlight. How I have done that, just like this, highlight only. Do with pen or pencil, circle or square for this particular noun. You have to observe and get, understand, then do circle or box for this particular word. Okay, then let us move next exercise. Fifth number. Pick out the noun and state their kind. Means you want to find out which word is of noun in the sentence and pick out from the line and write its kind. Just like I have done for you. First, pleasure. Pleasure is a noun, and because of pleasure, happiness, that is don't have material body, we can feel only, so it is of abstract noun. Then next one, enemy. Enemy means what? Group of harmful people, those are killing to other, that is called enemy. That is of collective noun. So just like you want to find and write noun and its kind. Then next one. There was a large crowd at the circus. In that sentence, crowd, which we knows better, in the last picture you looks that crowd, it is of collective noun, and circus is also collective noun because of circus is a name for there are many animals, maybe lion, elephants, cheetah, those are doing something miscellaneous work, and those are entertaining people. That place is called circus. So it is also collective noun like that.